Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix camera missing and not showing in Windows 11 Device Manager. First method is press function and F7 keys or function and F8 keys, or any other keys to turn on camera instructed by laptop manufacturer's website. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, search with Camera app. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera, turn on camera access, turn on Let apps access your camera, turn on Let desktop apps access your camera. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Action, click Add Legacy Hardware. Check Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Browse camera driver from laptop manufacturer CD. Fifth method is open any browser, type manufacturer name with camera driver. Download and install driver from manufacturer website. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.